Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to change the slide size of a PowerPoint presentation. So many people face the problem and they don't know how to change the slide size in window in presentation. So I'm going to show you how you can easily do this, and it is as simple as that. So let me show you. The first of all, you need to turn on your PowerPoint, and then you have to open a blank file. Then you have to go to the design option. From here you have to click on the slide size, and then you have to choose the custom slide size, and here you have the option of slide sized for. You can simply choose the size that you would like to want. For example, I would like to go for the A3 paper size. Then you can simply click on it and it will shift to that size. But in my opinion, you can simply manually type it by, for example, 29.7 centimeter in wide and in 42 centimeter in height. So I am typing it 42 centimeter, and here you can see it is already in the portrait side. And if I press in OK, and you have to choose the ensure fit from here, and you can see the page size have already been transferred to A3 paper size. So that's how you can just easily change the slide size in a PowerPoint presentation, in the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So thank you very much for watching this video.